Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a BOXYCHARM unboxing try-on haul, and I'm so excited because this is my second month of BOXYCHARM. If you guys didn't see my unboxing the last month's BOXYCHARM, I will have it right here in one of these corners in a little tag thingy or in the description box down below so you can check it out. I will be unboxing these every single month when I get them. Before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see every single one of my videos, because why wouldn't you want to do that? And anyway, if you want to see what I got in this month's BOXYCHARM and how I created this look with those products, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's open her up. I am so excited for my second BOXYCHARM. Why did I say BOXYCHARM like that? So the theme this month is totally BOXYCHARM, and everything is all pink in this card. I don't really want to look on the back of it yet to see what's in it because I actually don't know. So I'm just gonna like scan in here and see. Ooh. See what I want to use first. Oh, I've been wanting to try this. Okay, so the first thing I see, and it is a skincare product. Well, I think it's a primer of sorts, I guess. This is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, and it's a good thing I haven't put anything on my face at all because I want to try this out. I want to see how I like it. Obviously, this is something that I'm going to need to try out more than once in order to see if I actually really like it. I just want to try this out for today and give you my first impression on it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply it directly to my face. Oh, it's pink. Oh, that's so interesting. I did not realize that it's pink. And it feels not so much like an oil, but more like a serum, if that makes sense. It really doesn't feel oily at all or sticky like a facial oil does. I wonder if this is a primer or a skincare product. Let me check the back of the card. So this is the Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil, and it says this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. I think I put way more than one drop on each side of my face, but whatever. It definitely feels hydrating, but obviously, like, that's my first impression. I need to use it way more than once and see if it like clogs my pores and causes me to break out, or if it's all good to go. But so far I really like it. It feels hydrating. It doesn't feel like anything special, to be honest. It's definitely like, I don't know, it doesn't feel like a primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize and do my eyebrows and stuff off camera, and I will be right back because I don't think there's anything else. No, I don't have anything else for eyebrows, so I'm gonna just like do my skincare routine and do my eyebrows, prime my eyelids, and I'll come back and show you the rest of what's in this month's BOXYCHARM. Yay! Okay, so my brows are done, my lids are primed, and after letting the oil soak into my skin, I have to tell you, I really like it. It makes my skin feel super soft and hydrated. I did put moisturizer over it like I said I would, and I also put some eye cream on because that's my normal skincare routine, but it feels really, really nice under that stuff, so I'm obsessed. By the way, that glow oil is $42, so right there, that's your value. Like, honestly, that's a great value in this box. Okay, so for eyeshadow, we have these Ace Beauty Glimmer shadows. They super remind me of the ColourPop Super Shock shadows, which I'm sure a lot of people are going to agree with. The packaging, everything, I don't know about the formula, I'm about to open them, but I believe that you get these two in a set, and they go for, they're called the Glimmer Shadow Duo, and they go for $25. And that's actually a really good value considering it is two eyeshadows. However, ColourPop Super Shock shadows range anywhere between $5 and $8, so they are actually a bit more pricey. I don't know if there's more in this packaging or what, but yeah, I really like these colors actually, and I think they go really well together. Now let's see how they swatch. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you now. So the formula of these definitely feel like ColourPop shadows. They are wet feeling like the Super Shock shadows, and to be honest, I never really was a huge fan of those Super Shock shadows. I was really glad when ColourPop started coming out with the actual normal shadows because I could never get these to work, and you have to like stick your finger in and use your fingers, and it just wasn't like my cup of tea. But I actually do own a bunch of Super Shock shadows, and I'll never stop collecting them because they're really good quality and really great, but I just would rather work with a normal shadow in my opinion. But let's see how these perform. I'm definitely gonna have to go in with a transition shade, so I think I'm gonna do that first actually. Since this is the closest palette to me, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I'm gonna take a transition shade from here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Burnt Orange and just put that all over my crease. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take this one, which is called Huckleberry, and I'm gonna take it on my finger and put it all over my lid. It's kind of hard to do this with my nails, which is annoying, but I'm gonna have to go in with a brush at some point to blend it into the crease because I want the two colors to be like seamless. Let's see if this brush works. does. Kind of want to wing it out, just see how it looks winged out, and maybe I'll put more of the transition shade. There's definitely no fallout with this, and the shimmer is so pretty. It looks really pretty on the lid. So now that my eyes are done, I am going to do the rest of my face like on camera so you can kind of see what I'm doing. But I'm not gonna like talk through anything that I'm using. I'm just gonna show you the products and put them on my face. And then I'll start talking when I have something else to say about what's in the BOXYCHARM, right? You know what I mean? Am I making sense? Sorry, I'm a little weird today. I'm gonna use the other color in the inner corner, by the way. That's why I haven't used it yet, but it's coming, don't worry. It's coming. We do get a setting powder in this month's BOXYCHARM. This is the BECCA Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I actually already own this, and I'm actually not a fan of this whatsoever. But you know what? Today is a day where I am going to try it again and give it a second chance, or third or fourth. I don't even know. I tried it a lot back in the day, and I just did not enjoy it at all. When it first came out, I bought it, and I was like, oh, this is the next best thing. I think Jaclyn Hill raved about it. Everyone loved it, and I just could not. I don't understand why I did not like it. Anyway, this runs for $39, and it is a loose setting powder. Literally, the title of the powder is what it is. It's a Hydra-Mist. Like, you feel it actually wet. It's a very interesting consistency. Let me find mine. So this is mine, and you know what? I'm gonna set this aside to give to a friend or even put in a giveaway. There's a lot of product in here, so it's actually a really great value for like the BOXYCHARM. I think it's really cool that they did this, but again, I'm just like not a huge fan of this whatsoever. So let's see. Maybe I will change my mind today. I'm actually gonna use my sponge to press it under the eyes. Maybe this isn't the best way to apply it, but because the sponge is already wet, I don't know, it just made my under eyes cakey and disgusting, and I hated it. Let me find a brush. I can't find my normal setting brush, so I'm just gonna use this one to pat it in and then swipe it. First of all, it removes a lot of the product that's already on your face. Like, it's literally removing concealer that I put there just 10 seconds ago. And it just makes my under eye look so bad. I don't know. If you like this powder, can you tell me how you use it, like in the comments, so I know and like start using it correctly or something? I don't know if I'm using it wrong. It just really does not make my under eye look good at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of the pink eyeshadow and put it on my lower lash line. See how it applies with just a brush. It's very difficult. You need a really synthetic brush to be able to do this properly, honestly. Alright, and now I'm going to take the shade French Vanilla, and that's going to go in the inner corner. I'm actually going to take this a little bit on the inner like part of my lid as well, just to see how that looks. You know what? I almost like how it looks over the pink entirely. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and speed through the rest of my face. Okay, so the next thing we have in the box is a mascara. This is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara, and it retails for $23. I love trying out new mascaras. I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes first. That's what I always do. I'm actually not gonna put on any falsies, so I hope this mascara is good. So the description on this mascara is that it is an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours, which I will never test out. I love other Tarte mascaras, so I'm really excited to try this one out. This is the packaging. I love the hot pink packaging. It is so pretty. The wand is actually a bit thicker than I normally like. It actually reminds me of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which I love, but it also doesn't do what like the Benefit Roller Lash does, because it is a plastic applicator and much thinner and like curved. So let's see how this applies. Okay, this actually reminds me of the Milk Makeup Kush for some reason, even though it's kind of a different wand. Let's see. Well, I think it does really well for volume. Like, it really does separate my lashes, but it doesn't do length. And I like mascara that does both. So I'm trying to like make them a little longer by going really at the root. Yeah, this is great for volume. If you like volumized lashes but not length, then I definitely recommend this. But if you like both, I recommend the Benefit Roller Lash a little bit more. The applicator is good for both on the Benefit Roller Lash. This one, because it's so fat and it does like this hourglass thing, it is only gonna do the volume. Man, it makes me want to put on falsies because it just did not do what I wanted it to do, but I'm not going to, I don't think. So after putting the mascara on both eyes, I have to say I do like it and I'll probably use it, but it's definitely not my favorite. Like, I like the Benefit Roller Lash, as I've said a million times, a lot more. So that's like my ultimate favorite mascara. I even like the Milk Makeup Kush mascara a little more. Like, I have a bunch of other favorites. Like, I'll use it until it dries out, but I probably wouldn't purchase this mascara on my own. The last thing we have in the box is this lip liner from Steve Laurant, and this retails for $15, and this is in the shade Vogue, and it is definitely a color that I would love so much. So the description says, reshape, resize, and redefine your power. This lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long. Lasts up to 7 hours. Let's see if that's true. I definitely prefer a more creamy lip liner than this one. This one's a little bit rough and hard to use, but I really like the color. And I know I'm definitely gonna use it again. Okay, so to recap, I really love the eyeshadow and that came in this month's box. I'm definitely gonna be using the mascara, although it's not my favorite. The lip liner is great. The only thing that I wasn't so much of a fan of was the powder. I did try to give it a second chance. I don't know what I'm doing wrong with that, but everything else, I loved it. Let's add everything together. So adding everything together that came in this month's BOXYCHARM, the total value of the box was $144, which is pretty good considering you only paid $21. So I definitely think that this box was worth it. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this BOXYCHARM unboxing try-on haul, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!